Hello friends, welcome to Doctor's Academy. Have you noticed the recruitment notification from Air India? If not, please watch this video. Air India Air Transport Service Limited has released the job notification regarding filling of manager finance, officer accounts and assistant accounts job vacancies. The central government organization invites online application from eligible candidates having required qualifications. There are 15 vacancies reported. Manager, there are 4 vacancies. Officer accounts, it is 7 vacancies. Assistant accounts, 4 vacancies. Salary package for manager, it is 50,000 rupees. Officer accounts, it is 32,200. And assistant accounts, it is 21,300 rupees. Age limit for manager, not above 28 years for freshers. Those with experience will get relaxation to the extent of their relevant post-qualification work experience. Further relaxation of age will also be given as per government guidelines for OBC, SC and ST candidates, which is presently 3 years for OBC and 5 years for SC ST. Officer accounts, age limit not above 30 years, that is born between 2nd May 1991 and 1st May 2003. OBC not above 33 years, that is born between 2nd May 1988 and 1st May 2003. For SC/ST candidates not above 35 years, that is born between 2nd May 1986 and 1st May 2003. For assistant accounts not above 28 years, that is born between 2nd May 1993 and 1st May 2003. For OBC category not above 31 years, that is born between 2nd May 1990 and 1st May 2003. For SC/ST not above 33 years, born between 2nd May 1988 and 1st May 2003. Qualifications for manager finance, chartered accountant from the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India or cost account from Institute of Cost Accounts of India. Should be a member of Institute of Chartered Accountants of India or a member of Institute of Cost and Works Accounts of India. Candidates who have applied to the institute for membership shall also be eligible. Preference will be given to chartered accountants who have also acquired company secretary qualifications. Officer accounts, CA Inter or CMA Inter or MBA in finance or equivalent in finance, full-time 2 years program with knowledge of MS Office operations. Must have post-qualification 3 years experience or more in accounts and finance functions, preferably with an airline or ground handling company with a proficiency in statutory payments like ESIC, Provident Fund, Welfare Fund, Professional Tax, GST, etc. Accounts assistant, graduate from a recognized university under 10 plus 2 plus 3 pattern with 1 year experience or more in finance functions and accounts. Proficiency in statutory payments like ESIC, Provident Fund, Welfare Fund, Professional Tax, GST and billing, etc., preferably with an airline. The selection will be conducted based on document verification and a personal interview. Application fee and interview. Only the shortlisted candidates called for the selection process will have to submit a non-refundable application fee of Rs 500 by means of a demand draft in favor of AI Airport Service Limited payable at Mumbai at the time of appearing for the personal interview, screening, group discussion as applicable. No fee is to be paid by ex-servicemen and candidates belonging to SC/ST communities. And the last date for filing application is on 1st June 2021. If you found eligible and interested, please apply through online to the mail ID hrhq.aiasl@airindia.in. If this video is useful, kindly share it with your friends and others in your contact. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. Thank you very much.